My name Anna.
Добре. Початок добрий. Угу.
I have a cats.
Ага. How many?
And
Скільки?
four
Four
cats
cats. Угу.
and one dog.
Угу.
Have a son.
Угу.
Ну, що jeszcze?
How old is your son? How old is your son?
My son have
Is єсть. Угу.
як?
Is. My son is.
Ну, six.
Six. Ага. Угу.
Old.
І все, можна кропочку. Six, і все, і кропочка. Це нормально. Угу.
I
Окей.
worked, nie wiem, треба, artist?
Artist, мастак, так?
Так.
Угу.
Все то.
Окей. Окей, супер.
It's a weekend.
Угу.
I went to the village.
To the village.
The
Okay, sounds
village.
like a good plan. Okay.
Yes.
What did you do in the village? What did you do in the village?
I relaxed.
Relaxed.
Relaxed
Mm-hmm.
with sun. Sun.
Ага.
Нет.
I sunbathed. Загорала. I
I
sunbathed.
sunbathe.
Глядите, bathe – это купаться. Солнечные ванны принимала. I sunbathed. Okay. Did you eat raspberry? Did you eat raspberry? Девчата, что такое raspberry?
Raspberry.
Малина. Did you eat raspberry?
No, I eat.
I ate в минулом часе. I ate.
Черешню.
Sweet cherry. Sweet cherry.
Sweet cherry and кавун. Як?
Watermelon. And watermelon. I like the way Ганна showed. I eat sweet cherry and... Я такая, може, мне sweet cherry поесть? So, okay, and watermelon. Okay. And I can see your cat sleeping. It's so cute. Yes, the cat is sleeping, right? Okay. Did Neil go to the village with you? Did your son go to the village with you?